Hey, this is Tony with Product Manager Hub, where we talk all things product management. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of product development, crafting that effective problem or opportunity statement. Also, talking about who should write it as well. First off, I'm going to give you some key tips that go into a problem or opportunity statement, and then I will actually give you a live example of the one that I have recently written, broken down into those key little tips. So, when it comes to writing an opportunity or problem statement, the first key element that makes a great problem or opportunity statement is really clarity. So, clearly defining the problem or opportunity is the foundation of a successful product management. Ambiguity can lead to misalignment within your team, wasting resources, and ultimately developing a product that just misses the mark. So make sure your statement is concise, specific, and leaves no room for interpretation. So that's tip number one. Tip number two to crafting those little buggers is going to be using a user-centric approach. So this element is going to be ultimately designed for your user. A great statement should reflect a deep understanding of your user's pain point or unmet need. Conduct user research, gather feedback, and emphasize with your audience. Not only strengthens your statement, but also ensures your product addresses real-world problems. So that's tip number two, is make sure that your problem or opportunity statement has a user-centric approach. And then the final tip is going to be around measurable impacts and feasibility. So remember, your product is ultimately designed for your user. So you want to define clear success metrics that align with your organizational goals. Additionally, assess the feasibility of solving the problem or pursuing the opportunity. This involves evaluating technical constraints, resource availabilities, and potential risks. A statement that combines a compelling user need with measurable impact and feasibility sets the stage for a successful product journey. So, once again, those are going to be the three tips that go into building a problem or opportunity statement. What I'm going to share with you right now is a problem statement that I have been working on for a client of ours. They are going to be working through, and I'll actually share a little bit more. So, the proper problem and opportunity statement, the code name to this particular application is Saving Soccer Moms. So we are going through the process of developing this application that is going to allow parents that have quite a few different kids within some sort of extracurricular type sports activity to be able to go through and actively track different things within their schedule systems, making sure that they get the kids to where they need to get to on time. And then if there's any cancellations, obviously, we'll want to provide up-to-date information for that. So a little bit of behind the scenes, but when I came to actually crafting the problem statement, if I scroll in here, so parents of children participating in extracurricular activities often face challenges in staying informed about last-minute practice cancellations. This lack of timely communication leads to inconvenience, confusion, and potential disruptions to both parents and children's schedules. Existing solutions may be inadequate or non existent, highlighting the need for a dedicated mobile app that efficiently notifies parents of practice cancellations, ensuring a seamless and organized experience for families involved in that extracurricular activity. So that is the problem statement that we crafted for this particular client of ours. And now, if we remember going back to those three tips of having clarity, user centric approach, and measurable impact and feasibility, I have broken it down into these particular sections here. So, from a clarity perspective, uh, I have pulled out of my problem statements. Parents of children participate in extracurricular activities often face challenges staying informed about last minute practice cancellations. So, this really clearly defines the issue parents face. Move into that user centric approach. So, this focuses on the user pain point. So, the lack of timely communication leads to inconvenience, confusion, and potential disruptions to both parents and children schedules. And then the final piece to it is going to be a measurable impact and feasibility. So I did identify the need for a dedicated mobile app. by saying existing solutions may be inadequate or non existent, highlighting the need for dedicated mobile app that effectively notifies parents of practice cancellations. So there you have it, folks. I have gone through the process of giving you some real hot tips, as they like to say, from a clarity perspective, user-centric approach, measurable impact, and feasibility, all combine into writing those effective problem statements. Once again, if you need any help with anything product management related, I suggest you hopping over to our website, productmanagerhub.io, where we have all kinds of information out there for you. So thanks for joining today. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and we'll catch you in the next one.